bronze factory is fully up to the company's standards. Before leaving the factory, we might just look in on the section devoted to the manufacture of corned beef bearing the famous Fray Bentos brand. Here again, only specially selected beef is used, and after being cooked to perfection, it is automatically canned in modern hygienic machines. After check weighing, the tins are individually soldered and vacuum sealed, ready for sterilization in steam ovens. After sterilizing, the tins are lacquered to give them a protective coating against rust. Then they're counted and stacked, ready for labeling.